Greetings, Ziteboard.com. Very cool online whiteboard. This is Ziteboard cool thing number 1. Let me demonstrate it for you. You get the URL, and let's pop this over there and load the URL into a different browser. Let me just fix that for a moment. Load it into a different browser. And it's going to say that login failed. You need to log in. Let's go to a different user, and you can see that I'm now logged in. How cool is that? Now, because it's an online whiteboard, this other user over here can begin drawing immediately, and it shows up really fast. How cool is that, huh? Very cool. All right, that's Ziteboard cool thing number 1, the online whiteboard. It's very fast. Thanks for watching, and go check out Ziteboard.com.